Today we'll talk about how can you disable this sign or know how you can do that on your Zello app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow this way and it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so you just go here, you above this sign, click on it. So then it's going to show for you a list like this. Then all you have to do, so you just click here on options here and just click on it. Then it's going to take you to next CPR. Then all you have to do, just click here on behavior here, you just click on it. Then you come to next CPR. Then all you have to do, just come here to save photos taken with the camera here, clicking this sign or this color. Like you see color, it's gone. That's mean here save photos taken with the camera, it's disabled with us now. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.